Hi guys, today we're going to be cooking a chicken tikka masala balti. So it's quite different from a chicken tikka masala. Really popular, goes really well. Thanks for viewing, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Right, so we've got a pan here. Then we're going to add a touch of oil, so probably about 1 teaspoon of oil, so things don't get. Just going to let that warm up slightly. Then we have the garlic and ginger paste. Yeah, just about a teaspoon would do it. And let that. So already you can see this is completely different from a masala, the chicken tikka masala. We'll get that sizzle up, and then we've got our Bhuna-style onions, the thinly chopped onions. Right, and we're just going to let that a little bit caramelise a little bit. If it starts to get stuck, just add a little bit more oil, a touch more oil. So it's just got a bit golden, the garlic ginger paste, and then the onions are caramelised. So we're just going to add about 2 teaspoons of tomato puree. And then you're going to add some of our Desi style spice, about 1 teaspoon. We've given it about a minute and the spice has infused in. Then we're going to get some Balti paste, just about a teaspoon. Make sure you don't put too much Balti paste in because it's very strong. It end up being very bitter, very tangy. Just want a little bit to get that flavour. Got that in. And then you add your masala paste. So you need about 4 or 5 spoons of it. Got a chicken tikka, pre-cooked chicken tikka. You can put as many as you want. I'm just going to put 5 as it's a demo. Let that ease in. And then you've got your base gravy. I'm going to give about 1 ladle, which is about half a pint. And then you can put the gas on medium. And now just let the masala paste, the spices, the chicken cook, yeah? What you want, it's going to be a thick sauce, right? Because of the masala paste, it's going to make it thick. So you may need to add a bit more base gravy to thin it out. And then you just want to watch the chicken tikka get soft. As soon as the chicken tikka is quite soft, like you can stab it, and it's very soft, it's done. So my sauce is nice and thick. If it's too thick, like I said, just add a little bit more base gravy. That will thin out the sauce. Otherwise you get very kind of stodgy, thick curry. And then I'm tapping into the chicken. And it's really soft now. So that's pretty much done now. So I'm ready to serve it out. Coriander just for decoration, and then there you have it, a chicken tikka masala balti.